Hey guys, it's Dajia. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a matcha latte inspired makeup tutorial. So I've been seeing so many people like just drinking matchas. Like, I don't know if it's like matcha season or what. I have never tried a matcha before, so this is actually kind of ironic that I'm doing a makeup tutorial that's matcha themed and I've never tried one. But I feel like it's like matcha season or something and everyone's just like drinking them and stuff. So I was like, let's do a makeup tutorial inspired by matcha. So I made this little face chart right here, and this is the look that we are going to be going for. So if you guys want to see my matcha latte inspired makeup look, then just keep on watching. It's raining, so I hope you guys can't hear the thunder because it's kind of loud, but let's just try to ignore it for now. So first things first, we're going to prime our eyelids with some concealer. We're going to set that concealer with the Rimmel London Stay Matte Pressed Powder. Okay, and the eyeshadow palette that we're going to be using today is the Makeup Revolution Alexa Stone palette. If you guys know me, you know I love this palette because of all the beautiful colors that it has in it. So first we're going to take the first green in the green row, and we're just going to blend that out on our outer corner. We're going to take the Try palette by Juvia's Place, and we're going to take Masai, which is like a light green shade, and we're just going to make sure that color is nice and blended out. Now we're going to take a M330 brush, and we're going to take the second green in the Makeup Revolution palette and just put that on the outer corner of the eye. Take the fourth green and also put that on the outer corner of our eye on that same brush. We're going to take a little bit of the black from the Makeup Revolution palette and put that on the outer corner just to darken this up a little bit more. Okay, and now we're going to do a half cut crease. We're going to take a white eyeshadow and just set that half cut crease with that. Now we're just going to do an eyeliner across the lash line, and we're going to blend that out into the outer corner. I'm going to put some of that white in the inner corner because that's giving like the whipped cream or like the cold foam on top, so you really want that inner corner to be bright white. Okay, so now I'm gonna go off camera and do my other eye, and then I'll come back with you guys to do the lips and stuff. I'm not sure, I have two different face chart versions of this. One is like a nude lip and the other one is like a greeny type lip, so I'll do it with you guys and we can decide together. Okay, so I did my other eye off camera, and I also did my foundation and stuff because that's not really important in today's video. So just do your foundation however you want to, except I am going to add some of Coral from the Try palette as highlight to make it more like greeny. Actually, I'm going to add some Tootsie, kind of where I put my blush. You guys can't even really see that, but it's fine. Now let's do my under eye. I'm just going to take a small pencil brush and I'm going to take Tootsie I'm gonna put that under my eye. I'm gonna take San and put that on the outer corner of my eye and blend it up into the top. Now let's try to do the green lip and see what that looks like. So I'm just gonna take San from the Juvia's Place palette and line my lips with that. I don't mind the lip, I just feel like it's very extra. But I'm gonna go off camera really quickly and put on a lash, and then I'll come back with you guys for the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished matcha latte inspired makeup look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I love it. I love doing green eyeshadow looks on my brown eyes. I just feel like it makes my eyes pop and it just looks really good on brown eyes. So if you have brown eyes, definitely try this makeup look. If you love matcha, definitely try it. I feel like it's a little dark for matcha, like the outer corner, but I still really like it. Let me know what you guys think down below. This is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. If you want to keep up with me when I'm not posting on YouTube, you can follow me on all my other social medias. All that good stuff will be on the screen right here. It will also be in the description box down below for your convenience. Please, 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 if you're watching this video, subscribe. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers and I would love to have you as part of my little makeup family. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.